Right, so it's the 21st of January 2025. So let's get with the problems last night, shall we? This is outside, and it's inside, but it's not on my level. Just to try to clarify a few things. You're a fucking fruitcake, smash you in just, inject you with chicken pox, bonus a motorbike, choked by catalyst, bonus a motorbike. This is the last stages coming back actually, yesterday. There's another sheep and boy with me. Dog barks, child molester Justin beat up. Sick, said by a dog. Dog barks, shot dead. Penis up to look like someone who sexually abused me as a child, tied to an erection seagull, ha ha ha. Everything missing in your place, Justin said. That's under me. Stab you with shingles, everything lost. Shot dead, Justin, lethal injection, Justin said. Busted in, Justin. Raped Kimberly. Justin sick, can't getting lethal injected. Stupid sounds as to say spastic, gone. Middle of February, everything's gone, missing, said. Gonna smash you in with a fucking knife and tear your fucking arms and legs off, said. 23:43 PM, burning occurs. Then unflushed shit smell. Gun sounds, also. Same at 00:43 AM. Being shot down, Justin said. Sick cunt, said. You're really old, Justin said. Molested Sadie, Justin. Being beat up. Loud bike pissing. Spastic, smash him in. Fancies underage girls, said. Banging to say, Justin breaking in. Smash him in. Raped. Forgotten what the name is. I've written down as put question mark there. There's also a name can't say, but I don't want to cause trouble for people, even though it's not true. Right, smash you out, Justin said. Fucking liar, knife attack, Justin said, and then more burning occurs. Right, it's very busy as well this morning. I have known it was ever. This is what happened. Negative syringe, Justin. Child pervert. 45, Justin. HIV needle. You molested Kimberly, said. Gunshot sound. Last. Question mark, I think. Fuck's sake, vaping stench. The creator god's fucking fucked up. Right, child molester, Justin. Penis up bike. You're a strange bloke. Bow whistles. Breaking in, fuck's sake. Hang on. That's right, take the fucking seat I'm gonna sit on the bus. That's fucking right. Yeah, that's right, put a fucking clue in my direction. Right, bow whistle, HIVs. Breaking in, lost everything, said. One day after Valentine's Day. Lost everything, breaking in, said. 7:47 AM. Bangs to say bash me and Justin, molested Sadie. Banging in sequence to threats after that by someone else. HIV, just stupid, Stephanie said. Robbery, said. Penis up, loud bike. Breaking in, smash you up, Justin, banged. Crow says ha ha ha. Right, so something else I want to mention is we've got an unstable weather forecast and I can't tell if it's cloudy or sunny. The problem is they're making it sunny every fucking day all year round, and it's going to defeat what I need to do, you see. With this buckled weather pattern, it's like I said yesterday, for the picture I'm taking today, it doesn't need to be full cloudy. As long as there's hazy sunshine, it'll be dark enough to get the picture that I want to retake, because it's inside a building. But preferably it needs to be well, it doesn't matter what the sky state is, as long as the sun's not shining. There hasn't been a single time where I've been on the bus where there hasn't been a phone call, always timed to the nearest to me, for at least 12 months. Red sexual car, grey, black with red, black followed by red, black mixed with red, with a very sharp knife looking picture on the side of that car, grey car and texts. Right, spit talk, my lip, whatever coughs, more red and white and text. What else? It says there's I can't remember what colour it is. I wrote it down. There's a red sexual car mixed with white. And then white after. Right, the picture I want to take today is the one I couldn't take initially on the first day. This is the very first time I took the picture. It didn't come out. The second time I went, it was a sunny day, and there was no cloud cover in the sky for me to get a picture. That's inside the church with the old lighting. And then the last time I went, I took a couple of pictures, but unfortunately it's still out of focus. So I've got to go back again today to do it. And even on that day, it wasn't exactly that cloudy, but it was enough to get the picture. Like DX van, smashed glass looking vehicle and GSF lorry. I wanted to say, they said it's going to be cloudy today, so the thing is I can't take the picture tomorrow because they have a food bank on Wednesday in the church, so I'll have to go into my other Total Produce van, I'm not being funny, but every time they predict that it's going to be some form of cloudy day, it's been sunny, and they've done this over 100 times, at least 100 times. They've been advertising cloudy days or part sunny cloudy days back in 2024. The Met Office and the BBC have lied over 100 times, and I'm not making that up. That's just for that 1 year. However, I've spoken to parents on the phone. There's been at least 80 times I've spoken to parents on the phone where they've had it cloudy and it's been blue skies and sunshine air back in 2024 alone. Right, so black sexual car, grey, white, orange, white, gap, timed, black and blue, white, bonus and motorbike with light on, the sex in the sun, sex in the sun, not the sex in the sun. I've not seen this vehicle for a long time, but it's the Mike Means Mike van, red, white car, grey, Hawkins van, Rawix Rawix van, Lerner car, Sisterhood car, black, grey car and red, and then there's like a hunting top that says killed on it. Light blue vehicle that looks like smashed glass and design and blood. Black sexual car, grey, white and grey. It seems to be a very unfortunate day, doesn't it? Right, a gap lorry, another bike issue. Right, this is a bit far-fetched, this one. I'm not going to say the 3 letters that occur after this, but the first 2 letters say FK, so it's F.K. and then the 3-letter word. I've forgotten what the name is on the next vehicle, but it was a serious suggestion. Black mixed with red car, another bike issue, Rawix van, SIG lorry, SIQ or SIG, up the age van, micro attraction van, and then obviously a couple of texts. Right, so another bike issue to an erection and red white timed. Right, a semi-erection and to itchy bella, and then you just time another bike. Enjoying this because spit's just gone in my eye from talking. Doesn't it shine van? This is a Yeovil van, I've not seen it before. DSV van, got to fucking wash my eye out. Yes, it's spit, it's very nice, Christ. Thanks a lot, Christ. You buckled bastard. Right, so I might see you. I don't know what's flying in my face now every time, but it's only happened in the last few years, but it's like a curse. I don't know how or what's causing it. But I'm going to say, there's another picture I want to take in this place, but I can't get off the bus because it's not cloudy enough. DSV lorry, bike issue, and meds van, MEDS, and like medicine meds. Yeah, I don't know what's caused it, but spit just will not stop flying in my face. loads of red white cars, loads of cars, MKM, perennial van, sexual car light on, blue, white, sex car, one light out, white, blue. Right, I'm coughed at and I'm forced to move my head, which means bike only my way. Lots of very sexual setups, spastic timed. Back goes catalytic converter. More cars reverse up me in a buckled way, and I've got to wait for the sun to go in for a few minutes to get the picture I want to take a picture of. And there's no sign of that happening yet, so I'm going to go and get something to eat. Right, so another bike issue, back goes car, screw van, father van, another bike issue of a sexual motorbike, car started, person with chicken pox, coughed at, sneezed at, back goes vertical. Go in there. Alright. It's a bit talk hits to me. This is part of the sheet, not what's just happened now. He's funny with a 4-letter word said, which is not true, but that's what's being said. Can't say the name. And then the bike only. Right, so at the moment the government seem to be cheering about the sunny weather with this sort of construction of vehicles that are occurring. Back goes catalyst. Then noetic science technology are telling me that I'm a spastic. Well, then noetic science technology didn't tell them that the picture that I last took when I came here hasn't come out in focus. This is the earliest I've eaten for a long time. Just gone 10 AM. Just had a bit of cheese. I have eaten this time before, but it's very rare. The last time I ate at this time was at Barrow when I was camping. And obviously I'm smoking a fag, though I do prefer to. Well, it's hard to say. You can get enough. I prefer to smoke baccy, I think, overall. But it's nice to have fags. I mean, I wasn't smoking this time last year, but because of the burning problem that I was experiencing, I ended up going dads and then I ended up smoking. So I do that myself, and I do have the occasional one here and there, even before that. So it's not something that's. I mean, there's been about a 3 or 4 year period where I haven't smoked any at all, but it's very rare. That's about the longest period. And it's usually one every so often. Obviously today I've gone back to smoking. There's too many people in the church to take the picture, so I'm going to do it on Thursday. Now we need to start catalytic converters down in straight. The car's backing up with a catalytic converter because the government wants to tell me it's a granny. Knife shaped car. Red knife shaped. White, black, grey. I'm being sneezed at and the cars are stopping me across the road, so I've had to go back. That's okay. Yeah, the government need to do this, they've got to do it. Right, I'm not allowed to look at the bus timetable. It only means a hard gush of wet sneeze in my face down in Street. 2022, this was occurring 200, maybe more than 200 times in one day. And it is at least 40 times per day, every single day, between October 2021 and September 2022. Well, I'm being controlled with flu, and I mean flu, proper flu. Someone with flu. Because someone with flu needs to get on the flu on the bus, flu. But as the government is controlling everyone's movement around me to be fucking buckled as fuck, so there's no choice in the matter. Stay at the bus stop, everyone's controlled in a movement where if you stay that area, the mouth's ready to open and sneeze and whatever. I'm not very happy, I tell you that. Right, I don't stay in my place, I get told I'll have my willy up and bike. Fucking hell. No, I can't do nothing. The government got me controlled by my fucking feet, or the creator god's fucking fallen. If him down, talk on the phone, I don't know who, but obviously that's what the government want. You see, they're fucking buckled. They need to hit me off. Right, you go in that direction, you get a car backing at you. Right then, I'll go to the flute, it's alright, I'll catch flu down the street and then you can tell me why you need to do it.
I don't really believe it, I don't really want to come back up and have to sell soap, but I know you had this conversation over years ago.
And so there we are, going the other direction, I get sneezed at. Not the worst to sneeze, but like I said, it's 200 per day on some days back in 2022. Hot point, black sexual, orange sexual, sneezes at me, bike issues, shoot him said. 15 cell calls initially on the bus, about 20 texts, possibly more now. Sneezes, fast smell, 40 minutes of cell call and someone with flu. Right, so there's been 50 texts or so, bike trying to stretch at the roundabout, followed by maritime, and I'm gonna sit here with the t-shirt over my nose because of flu. Go to the bottom deck, there's been 19 sneezes. Before that, all was lorry timed and DX van. Several bike issues. Yeah, shooting them dead. Car reverses up me before that. And the bus didn't take the route I wanted it to go to. So I got to wait for the next bus to go back in the other direction. And I know there's buses go in that route, and I want to take a picture or something. But it seems a little bit fucked up, so I'm not sure the name of the place, but most of them go that way anyway, unless they've diverted all the back goes car. Now car goes into me. This is not very clever. It go down. It's not been mapped out very well today. Bloody hell. It's one of those fucking days. Right, lots of sexual cars, Seagull says bustling in later, JBF blue, lots of rough people my way and sexual black and blue or whatever. Sneezed in the mouth. I'm not fucking happy. This is all fucking time Downing Street. Right, so yeah, I've been sneezed in the mouth. The government or the creator gods causing everybody to sneeze at me. Sneeze upon sneeze. It's happened about 50 times now today. Started catalytic converter, drains it over. I had to get off the bus because I had to wash my mouth out with sanitizer because the sneeze went in my mouth. With water, that is. Hey, hang on. I'm being choked out by a catalytic converter. So yeah, I got off the bus. They went pretty frequently on this bit, so I'm going to go to the graveyard, see if they've got a tap where I can wash my mouth out properly, because I have soap on me. Before I got on the bus, I just want to mention that there's bike only to an erection, and that's the reason I remember that is because there's one happening now. Black right. So I got on the bus after I took a picture of something. I will go back on the bus in the other direction to go back there to take the picture. It hasn't come out after taking about 20 fucking pictures. Right, so 300 cars, black and fucking blue, right? Wayne's lorry. Willie shoots right up. It's a bike only. That's under fucking stood. You crap bastard, you crap fuck God. I'll tell you what, Creator God, I could rip you to fucking pieces, pal. You're taking the fucking piss, mate. Fucking taking the absolute fucking biscuit, Christ. Not a single fucking picture, Christ. You fucking sly bastard fucking cunt. All it is a picture of a graveyard. I wanted that fucking picture, and God won't let me have a fucking picture of a fucking graveyard. Little bastard. How fucking far-fetched how fucking nasty can you fucking get, Christ? Gotta go back in the other fucking direction, wait for the bus to get it, because I can't do it on any other fucking day because it's sunny. I tell you what, I'm absolutely fucking fuming, Christ. This is absolutely taking the fucking best, you cruelty cunt. Yeah, not one picture out of 20 plus pictures that I took, not one single picture has come out satisfactory. All out of focus, all smudged. That's the way God wants these pictures. No matter what picture I take, I've used this camera for loads of years, back since about 2012, and I've never had this problem. It's like it's your camera's being fucking jinxed to fucking hell. It's one of the buses, so I've got probably an hour or so wait when I get there, with all the traffic and all the setups. It doesn't matter, Christ, come on! Bash me to pieces, you fucking nasty bastard, Christ. Well, the bus is late as it is, so this is fucking stuck right in my fucking face, you little bastard God. You fucking scumfuck, Christ. Not one fucking picture, pal. Not one fucking picture. You evil bastard. You evil, sneaky fucking bastard. So I managed to get back on the bus to take a picture of the graveyard I wanted to take a picture of, and it didn't come out. And I'll let you know, I'll get on later. Right, so I've had to get off the bus because obviously I've been sneezed over, cough, sneeze, yeah, on top of 50 times today. That seems to be something the government are increasing at this minute in time, or the Creator God's fallen. Yeah, I got to be sneezed at. It's part of the Creator's way of treating me like a piece of shit. God wants it to happen. When I get off the bus, there's a started car. Right where the bus stop is, right for me. So obviously God wants to fucking put a knife in me. God wants to fucking take this piss out of me. God wants to say, you gonna fucking old granny. God wants to take the piss out of me and tell me to be in a sexual relationship with people that rape me as a child. God's absolutely fucking twisted. The bastard's fallen on me. Right, so here's Sharon Loud Bike to tell me you don't take photos of a cemetery. You listen to Bike. You're on Bike. Bike. Yes, Bike Downing Street. You fucking crooked cunts. Right, so they're making the road busy. Stop me getting a photo. They don't want me to take a picture of the cemetery. This is busy, but it's doable. Right, so there's been bike issues and there's been an MKM a lorry drains it over. Not much in suggestions at the moment, but when I look back on this I can see what they're trying to apply today. I listen to it through headphones or whatever, sorting out what I'm doing this evening. It might give me some information of what they're suggesting. Right, so spanners on the side of a van, bonus supply, grey sexual, God, the Dead Sisters van, so cool at me, spit talking at me, more bike issues at me. Paedophile, knife him in, easy said, from a house. From the house it came from has this registration plate on the car, but whether it means it's the same person's car I do not know. WF74KBJ, and it's a blue Mercedes by the looks of it. Don't know much on modern cars, but that's what I'm guessing it is. He wants to take pictures, beat him up, said, so what you have to do if someone beats you up is you have to slice their wrist and you have to slice their throat, and it's messy. That's the way they deal with fights nowadays. These people around here might not know about how people fight. You've got to take that into account now. Right, so like every corner, every single corner, every pathway, every roadway, as many houses as possible, they've controlled me and
No, it's alright.
alright, yeah, can't get to the bottom either because they've started vehicles. I was going to take a picture of a very old light as well, but I can't do that either. One, there's people about in there, and the other is I've already got a picture, basic. There we are, back goes the catalyst. There's nothing you can do about it, no matter if it's a designated area, an area where nobody goes. This is constructed 24/7. There we are, backing up, and now it's going forward to cause me a catalytic converter stench. I'm not exactly sure what he's doing, but and there's another started van. They do it all the time. Now they're backing up at me. And I go down there and people will wheelbarrow. Right. Yeah, stop recording, there's a lot more activity down here because it's going to be I need to get through it. Right, so time to look like someone who sexually abused me as a child turned to an erection, and now there's a baby in a sling. I can't photograph it because obviously it's illegal, but that's what's happening. They do it all the time. The reason they do that is because they want to make the suggestion that you've been raped as a child and that you were bouncing your baby about and making the suggestion because you haven't kicked right out while being sexually abused as a child, where the baby comes out your stomach and detaches from your body. They want to take the piss in that way, but they're making it clear because you didn't detach yourself from while this was happening, that we're ripping you to pieces for the rest of your life. Right, so there's been a photo taken of me by a rough person, and also a single mother, teenage single mother's photographed me. So I'll take you to where I am now. So sad, being stabbed poses like a little weasel, said. Right, person on the bike says, you're sad, you're being fucking stabbed. Right, continue what I was saying, just writing this down a fucking minute. give it some mate, 'cause I'll fucking bash you in with a fucking weed killer courage. That's the way you have to deal with people. Like I said earlier, a fight goes into slicing wrists and throat. Not that I do it unless it's absolutely necessary, but that's what a fight is. It's messy. That's what they tell me. So yeah, it's kicking off. So there's been a few bike issues. There haven't been too many sellouts. This is about 3/4 of a page. Just general stuff. Nothing too immediate to mention. A couple of sneezes on the bus. There's an AA van now, so I'm going to keep this fucking running because people are going to kick off. Don't get it, well, you have a few threats in other places, but actually I'm going to go Aldi's first because I'm being cut up. Movement, I can't go down this second aisle. Go down this one.
Yeah. Do you need a bag?
No, I'll be alright, yeah. Cheers, mate. Yeah, the reason for this build-up of trouble is because roughly around the 20th of January, people kick off for the start of Valentine's Day trouble. And Valentine's Day is one of the roughest events or time periods of the whole year at nearly every destination I've lived in the past. So as I mentioned on yesterday's video, timing people to sneeze in my face and putting nasty people in my direction is the main governmental or creator setup that's increasing this year for 25. I've been home 10 minutes. Child rapist just bangs to say, smash your fucking head in, and just come back to a very unhappy atmosphere after being out all day. Now we've got to allow bikes to erections. Reading, sick unjust burglary or robbery. More banging, smash you in, Justin said. Seem to have come back to a fucking start at 5:55 PM. I don't know what it's all about. And we've got a burning problem as well starting. Child abuser said. In Yeovil, obviously all this has fucking stepped up, all the problems. So I mean, there's been a few threats when I've been out, as I mentioned on this video, but the whole lot of this trouble seems to be increasing in Yeovil big time. So like I said, it could be the Valentine's build up.